Hey there, everybody on YouTube. Welcome back to Unknown Destination, the channel about travel, finance, and fun. Today, we're going back to the reselling content yet again with a Goodwill blue box of pre-owned plush. So, let's go ahead and bust this open. Just like the last video with the shoes, I have eBay open here on my computer, and I will look things up as we go if I can find the information, and we'll see what this is worth. I believe this box was $19.99 plus shipping, and shipping was $5. Let me double check that for you just to verify. One moment here. Where are you, plush box? Yep, $19.99 plus $5 shipping. So let's go ahead and jump into it using our handy dandy Shed Flips box cutter here. All right. Alright, so this is exciting. The first thing that we have here looks like it's actually supposed to make noise. We've got an army bear. Let's see if he works. Okay, I don't want to get a copyright strike, but it is a singing army bear from Gimme, Gemmmy, which is a very popular animatronic brand, that sings I'll Be Home for Christmas. I get the feeling this one's going to be a little popular. Let's see. Gimme I'll Be Home for Christmas. Army Bear. We will look him up here. Okay, he doesn't come up with all those words. Let's see if we can just find him by searching Gimme or Jimmy Army Bear. I am not seeing any exact comps for this guy, but it looks like the bears that don't sing that are of this brand go for anywhere between $15 to $20. Because I don't see one specifically that mentions anything about that, I'm going to list him high. And actually, here we go. Plush. So one sold used for $25. There's none listed. I'm going to go for $30 on this guy. He may be profit off the box right away. So it's a great start. I was not expecting a plush that danced and made noise like that. All right, so what do we got next? I can see some stuff sticking out, but we're going to go with this guy. This bear and outfit are safe for all ages. And he says, friend for life, little hero. But he does not have any markings on him or tags to tell me where he's from, so I don't know. We'll take a picture of him and see what happens. Don't know how to list that one. Let's go with the big guy. We have got a giant Spider-Man here, and I think, well, if he was supposed to stand up, he doesn't anymore. He's holding a present. It looks like something came off of it. This is a Jimmy thing too from Walmart. My guess is this was about $20 new, but he's not in the best condition, so he'll probably go in a yard sale for a couple bucks. Whoops. I knocked over my wall art. I'll fix that in a minute. Alright, so we have a Hallmark El Toro of Love bull. Does he still work? His batteries are dead. Let's see here. Wait, he's just off? Okay, his batteries are dead for sure. He was $20 originally. Let's look him up since he should be easy enough to do. Hallmark El Toro of Love. Sold pre-owned recently for $18.99 free shipping, $4.58, $3, $11.99, $19.99. Looks like a lot of this is going to be based on whether or not he's working, but if he is working, no reason I can't get $15 plus shipping for him. I will just have to unscrew this, take out the batteries, and replace them, and see if he works. Okay, so what's next in here? We got more little plush? The brand name is Be Happy, which is funny because that's my wife's Instagram, Be Happy Manis, like manicures. And it's just little love groundhog or something? Gerbil? I don't know. It is from Aldi, though, so I guarantee you there's no value there. It's actually a lot in here. We have our first Beanie Baby thing. But it's not a Beanie Baby. It's just a TY product. And it says Baby Paws Style 5111. It's just like a black bear. Let's see if he comes up on eBay. Recently sold for $11 plus shipping. Not bad. So about $10 after fees. I'm happy with that. Alright, we're getting into the last few here. Maybe. Another TY product. What is this? It's like bendable, posable, and kind of ugly. Laurel, Happy Holidays. So a TY Laurel bear. Or maybe his name is Yanny. Let's take a look here. Just sold for $275 plus shipping, so not worth much there. Alright, the next guy is a Beanie Baby, an actual Beanie Baby. He's the 1999 Holiday Teddy. Guarantee you he's not worth much, but let's take a look. This little guy most recently sold for $1 on eBay with free shipping. They lost money. He has sold as much for $13 in good condition. This guy does have his tag and is in excellent condition. I'll probably throw him up there for like $5 plus shipping, and first offer I get of $2 or more, he's out of here. He's a feedback builder. All right, what is this guy? There's a big guy in there falling on me. This is a Dakin teddy bear from Dakin and Company. I'm trying to see a date on here. 1979 Dakin teddy bear. Oh, he doesn't smell so good. Let's see if we can find him. He may not smell good, but he's worth some decent money. Recently sold for $30. All of them are in about the same condition. $30, $25, $30. Apparently his name is Cuddles, according to what I'm finding on eBay, which makes sense. And there's a few different versions. Some have a bow, some don't. But that looks like a $30 bear. I'm really happy with that one. Okay, this guy is a polar bear of some sort. I don't think he has a tag. He's a tagless polar bear. He's worth whatever somebody's willing to pay. What is this guy? Well, this is a cute little teddy. Modern barcode stone on top here. Brooklyn Doll and Toy. And he's a gray bear. Let's see if we can find that brand. Say Brooklyn Doll and Toy teddy bear. And it looks like this guy has a little bit of value too. He's definitely vintage. And I am seeing him recently sold for $17.99 plus shipping. So, another good little bear there. I'm surprised at how much money some of these are worth. Oh boy. We have a Claude the Crab and an Iggy the Iguana McDonald's Beanie Babies. I don't need to look these up. They sell for about $1 a piece. They're not really worth anything. And then last but not least, we have Pounce, the 1997 Beanie Baby cat. There he is there. We'll look him up as one last thing. TY Beanie Pounce. Let's see what you go for, buddy. Actually, he's selling pretty consistently for $7.50 free shipping. As long as he doesn't go all the way across the country, he's light, probably less than 4 ounces. So he'll ship for $4 at the most. So I'll make a couple dollars off of him. Is it worth the time? Probably not, but I did it so I could make this video. So that is the Goodwill Plush Blue Box. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, I will leave the link down below. It's up to you whether you think it's worth the time or not. But I want to thank you guys